long in euro dollar and also short in dollar CAD and dollar Swiss. I'll walk you through what I have trading starting top down here on the daily chart on euro dollar. We've got this range here put in here from swing highs and swing lows here on the daily chart that was wicked through yesterday here. So I'm looking for price to deliver back to the high end of the range or to this swing high area where there's buy side liquidity resting up here. So I would look for price delivery algorithm to want to return to this area. In addition to what I'm seeing here on the daily chart, there's also this bullish fair value gap or this buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency that was also traded into the rebalance level here. So looking at this area here where there has been sell side liquidity taken here, looking for buy side liquidity now to be targeted, which would be resting right above this swing high level right here. Additionally, there are relatively equal highs right here. There are 3 of them there. So this looks like a pretty good target to aim for right here. In addition to that, there's also a bearish fair value gap that price would be trading back into back here. Put that up now. So lots of confluence here for price to deliver back into this higher range here. You also have price wicking back below this level here this morning here on the daily. Here on the 1 hour chart, you can see price here deliver to the sell side, redeliver to the buy side, consolidate, and then pull back here into this area where there are buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiencies in this area. And then price now is seeming to return back to the buy side. And then what I was seeing here on the 5 minute is you see this return to the sell side here. You see these sweeps to the sell side, and then you get this price action right here where price delivers to the buy side and closes above this level. This creates a change in a state of delivery here, and this would make this candle right here my bullish order block. So I would look for price to redeliver here to the buy side, potentially coming down to a level of equilibrium here from this range that it's put in here. But I would look for a price to want to redeliver to the buy side here, and again looking for that daily level of liquidity above this swing high here. Right now price is still consolidating here below my entry. We'll see if price can deliver here to the buy side. As you can see here on the 1 hour as well, with price delivering here, getting similar price action here and getting change in a state of delivery here on the 1 hour as well here, and then having price pull back. So this being the range here. Also with this, getting a market structure shift to the buy side as well here on the 1 hour chart. So price showing signs of reversing from the sell side delivery to the buy side delivery, and we'll see if price has any continuation here to the buy side, as there is now just a little more than 20 minutes remaining in the current kill zone. Now I'll head over to dollar Swiss. So dollar Swiss set up in a short position yesterday, but I didn't take it because price action delivered outside of the kill zone, so I wasn't able to take the position. But here on the daily chart, we'll see there's this bearish fair value gap or the sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. Also, there's liquidity resting here. And then you get price action, trade, and sweep out this liquidity here on the daily chart. And then price closed inside of the previous day's range here. So this would trigger a short idea for me. I would look for price to want to return back to the sell side, at least to this bullish fair value gap right here at a minimum. Price may continue lower based on the relationship of the of yesterday's candle and the previous day's candle. Here on the 1 hour, you can see this price action where price delivered to the sell side here and is now pulled back to the buy side. There are sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiencies right here in this area. I'll put them up now. So this is where price is pulled back to. These areas of liquidity here. You can see prices pull back there, and then within a premium or discount range, you'll see here that prices come back to equilibrium here. So I'd say price is set to deliver if it wants to here to the sell side. And then on the 5-minute chart, you get price here wicking out liquidity here, wicking out buy side liquidity here, returning to the sell side. Here you get a change in the state of delivery level here, showing price here with an intent to deliver to the sell side. This large green candle right here is my bearish order block, and I would look for price to, as price has created this range here, you can see price pulling back now within the area of premium or discount here. Price also testing the level of the opening of the kill zone here. This is the opening candle of the kill zone range that was just tested here. We can see price reacting and delivering here to the sell side, as there are a lot of technical levels in this area. Also, there's a bearish fair value gap here as well. So equilibrium, the opening kill zone hourly candle high, and the bearish fair value gap here on the 5-minute. So quite a lot of technical structure in this area, and you're seeing price react here from this area. And I would look for a price to want to continue delivery here. My stop loss is just above the high of today, and then looking for take profit at the rebalance point of the daily fair value gap here, which is 0.76854. If there's continuation here. And have a look on the 1 hour chart here. Then dollar CAD setup very similar to dollar Swiss yesterday. So you have this here on the daily, you have this bearish fair value gap or sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. Then you have this buy side liquidity resting up here, buy side liquidity resting here. And then you get this candle here that wicks up and sweeps out the buy side liquidity. And then price delivers here to the sell side. I was able to get a kill zone entry yesterday, and I've been in this position since then. If you come here to the 1 hour chart, you'll see at the high of this area here, I was able to take a short entry as price swept out the buy side liquidity on the daily. Took this position down here to where there's a market structure shift here to the sell side on the 1 hour chart. And then you can see price has pulled back into this sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency here. That's in an area of premium in the range here for dollar CAD. And then with that pullback this morning, you come here to the 5 minute, and then you can see price here delivering to the buy side, sell side, sweeping out here this buy side liquidity, and then here creating a change in the state of delivery, making this large green candle here my bearish order block. And then we can see price here delivering here to the sell side. If all goes well, there'll be continuation here, and then both targets are set for the rebalance of that bullish fair value gap that is recently formed here from yesterday's price action here on the daily chart. And currently both targets are set for that level. Unless I see something differently, I'm going to keep that simply because I'll be looking for dollar CAD to potentially reverse back to the buy side, just because price action here from yesterday gave a body candle close above the previous day's candle, whereas in Swiss dollar or in dollar Swiss, the opposite, where price action closed inside of the range. So I would look for price action to potentially go lower in that pair. And then back over to euro dollar. I mentioned my take profit, but I didn't show it. So my take profit here, 1.19283, which is the liquidity area here that I'm targeting here. I'll pull it up here on the 1 hour chart. You can see quite a bit of distance here to go, and you can see my stop loss was just tested pretty good here. Okay. You can see here price action dipped here and tested my stop loss. So the low here is 1.18281, and then this just put in a 1.18281, so just put in equal lows here. And then there's also liquidity resting below this candle here. So if price right now will need to really redeliver here to the buy side, or else it's likely going to sweep out the sell side liquidity here with these equal lows and sweep my position out of the market here, which is more likely to happen unless price, as I mentioned, really starts to deliver here to the buy side. Additionally, setting up this morning was the Kiwi dollar. As you can see here on the daily chart, you get this sweep of yesterday's low here on the daily chart. But I've yet to be able to get the kill zone timing here in the current session, and also here during the Asian session, unable to get the necessary price action in order to take a position, even though it's set up rather well here on the daily chart. So just waiting for a potential to take a trade on Kiwi dollar, but one may not present itself for a clean entry here. Back over to euro dollar here, seeing that buy side delivery that I would want to see for potential continuation here. Price has traded into this bearish fair value gap, this sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, and that has triggered that sell side delivery just now, and we'll see if price can deliver through that and put in an inverse fair value gap if at all possible, which would be an indication of potential delivery to the buy side. Seeing further buy side here. With these equal lows put in, this could potentially be an additional change in the state of delivery level. I'm uncertain on this simply because the lows are equal. Had this been lower, then that would be obvious that it would be a change in the state of delivery. If it was higher, same thing, it'd be obvious that it was not. When I get equal levels, usually I would say if I were to enter a position, if I were to get an equal level, then I would take the position simply because just out of experience, when I see something at a level, or at least close at a level, the next candle typically follows through, but doesn't necessarily pull back. So I would take the position if it were equal to where my entry was instead of just above or below, but I'm not certain in this position whether or not that would count as a change in the state of delivery, or if this is just continuation of the original change in the state of delivery. So currently I'm just viewing this as the original change in the state of delivery, and this as continuation here, and seeing further buy side delivery here. And if all goes well, ideally seeing some type of body candle close above this level here would be ideal for continued buy side delivery here on euro dollar. So seeing the type of buy side delivery here that I would want to see, creating some distance between those equal lows. Just a matter of whether or not price can maintain this delivery and continue. This is the equivalent here on the 5 minute of the bullish or the bearish fair value gap that I was mentioning here, that would have triggered price to the sell side in a hurry, which it did. Now seeing price recover from that sell side delivery, and if all goes well, sustain that recovery and continue delivering and put in an inverse fair value gap. Less than 1 minute remaining in the current 5-minute candle. This candle closes in this position. It'll be showing a sign of strength here and potential to continue delivery to the buy side. This candle could also form a large wick here and sell off here into the close of the candle. So ideally it stays up at this level. Now the candle closes the last 5 minutes of the kill zone. We'll see if we can get some continued buy side delivery. A potential bullish fair value gap setting up here with this being candle 1 and this being candle 3, candle 2 being right here. Ideally for this candle, wanting to see a body candle close above that level. Ideally. Show signs of potential continuation, but again, I'm still not a big fan of this area down here. This sell side liquidity here that's been generated here in this area gives me some cause for caution of price returning back to that level. But if price wants to continue buy side delivery here, it may be able to trade out of this range here. And you want to see price deliver through this level here and disrespecting all of these fair value gaps along the way, which would mean that this bearish fair value gap here on the 1 hour is also disrespected, which would be a good indication that price wants to continue buy side delivery. Spotting another bearish fair value gap in here, gonna mark it. Hop back over at the other pairs really quickly here. Swiss dollar. Still showing some sell side delivery here. See if there's continuation to take profit. My entry price currently in between the bid-ask spread here. Seeing nice sell side delivery here on dollar CAD. Back in the dollar Swiss here. Now showing some further sell side delivery here. Price really consolidating here at my entry level. And starting to look like it could break away here to the sell side, but price currently trading here within this bullish fair value gap here. So this is likely what is keeping price up, or what may deliver price back to the buy side here, as price is trading in an area of bullish price action here. And we can see euro dollar here starting to struggle up here. Put in a new 5-minute high. And price consolidating here near my entry. less than 1 minute remaining in the London kill zone. Price here on euro dollar consolidating just above my entry level. And that does it for the London kill zone. Price now consolidating here with my entry in between the bid-ask spread. Price showing some sell side delivery here at the close of the kill zone here, and now back to the buy side. One last look at the other pairs here. Dollar Swiss still showing that buy side activity, but may be ready to return to the sell side here. Dollar CAD, some pullback back into a bearish fair value gap here, and reacting, showing further sell side delivery from that. And back to euro dollar. Now still consolidating here in that area. I'm going to go back to dollar Swiss. Still showing this buy side delivery here. Now consolidating, maybe back to sell side. Okay. So it looks like dollar Swiss euro dollar are going to consolidate at my limit entry here, so we'll see how those positions hold up. Dollar CAD has been solid delivery since entry from both entries, so we'll see if that will deliver following through. If anything, even if dollar CAD delivers and euro dollar and dollar Swiss fail, it would more than make up the difference with risk management. But all of these positions can go. The only position right now that I'm not the biggest fan of is this euro dollar position, as I mentioned, with this equal liquidity levels down here. But we'll see here as price looks like it may want to give some buy side delivery, but I don't count anything until the ticket clears and the money hits my account. So we'll see how things go moving forward, but right now things are moving in the trade directions. If you'd like to know more, visit us at ontilttrading.com. Stay on tilt, never emotional. We'll see you next time.